Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sahasra Tutorials. If you are watching this video first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for getting more videos. Okay my dear students, in this video we are going to learn a very important theorem called Siva's theorem. The statement of this theorem and some applications based on this theorem, some problems based on this theorem are very important for different types of Olympiads like INDSO, SOF and RMO. For this, it is a very important theorem. First, let us see the statement of this theorem. If the points D, E, F are taken on the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC respectively, such that the line segments AD, BE, CF are concurrent at both, then we have to prove BD is divided by DC, BD is divided by DC into CE is divided by EA into AF is divided by FB is equal to 1. That we have to prove. So before going to prove this theorem, let us know some basic points which are related to this theorem. So among them, first one is, what is CVN of a triangle? What is CVN of a triangle? CVN is nothing but a line segment joining from any vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called a CVN. Again, I am repeating the statement of CVN. If a line segment joining from any vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called CVN. In this triangle particularly, AD, BE and CF are the CVNs. If we observe in different types of triangles, medians, altitudes and angular bisectors are the some special cases of this CVNs. Medians, altitudes and angular bisectors are the special case of CVNs. Okay, and one more important point for this theorem is, if you observe a triangle ABC, in this triangle AD is one of the CVN or a line segment. I want to draw one altitude. A is altitude to the base BC. So if you observe here, area of triangle ABD, I want to find area of triangle ABD is divided by area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABD is divided by area of triangle ADC. What is the formula for area of triangle? It's nothing but half into base into its corresponding altitude. So that area of triangle ABD half into, what is the base? BD. So if you observe, ABD is which type of triangle? ABD is a which type of triangle? It is an obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, altitude lies outside the triangle. So if you observe in triangle ABD, altitude lies outside the triangle. So that half into base BD, height is nothing but AE. A is nothing but H. Similarly, what is the area of triangle ADC? Nothing but half into base is here, DC. Its corresponding altitude is H. DC into H. H get cancelled, half of get cancelled, then we get what? BD by DC. BD by DC. That means area of triangle ABD by area of triangle ADC is equal to BD by DC. It is one of the important points. Here, if we observe, coming to the proof of this Siva's theorem, if we observe, this is a triangle. In triangle ABC, AD is the CVN. In triangle ABC, AD is the CVN. Like this, ABC is the triangle, AD is the CVN. A is, if we draw a perpendicular line to BC from A, then AE is the perpendicular line like this. Then, what is area of triangle ABD is divided by area of triangle ADC is nothing but what? BD by DC. So, for this triangle we can write area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is divided by area of triangle ADC is equal to BD by DC. So it is one of the equation. Similarly, if we observe another one, another triangle, in triangle OBC. So if we observe here triangle OBC, triangle OBC, OD is one of the CVN. OD is one of the CVN. If we consider this triangle, so in this I want to draw one altitude. Let it be some OF. Otherwise some OG. OG is the altitude. Now find area of triangle OBD. Area of triangle OBD, it is divided by area of triangle ODC. ODC, let it be H dash. OBD, area of triangle OBD by area of triangle ODC is equal to, what is the formula for area of triangle? Half into base into its corresponding altitude. Half into BD is base, corresponding altitude OG. OG is nothing but H dash. It's divided by, here also half into ODC in this triangle. DC into altitude is nothing but H dash. H dash get cancelled, half of get cancelled, then we get what? Area of triangle OBD by area of triangle ODC is equal to BD by DC. And also from triangle, here from triangle ABC, from triangle OBC, area of triangle OBD is divided by area of triangle ODC is equal to BD by DC. Okay, it is equation number 2. See, from equation 1 and equation 2, if we observe all H's are equal, then LH's are also equal. No? So from that I want to write BD by DC is equal to area of triangle ABD is divided by area of triangle ADC. That is equal to area of triangle OBD is divided by area of triangle ODC. Okay, so all three ratios are equal. If you observe, I want to consider 4 by 12. 4 by 12. What is the simplest form of 4 by 12? Nothing but 1 by 3. 4 1s, 4 3s. From these two ratios, I want to write another ratio, that is 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. I want to write this as 4 minus 1, difference of numerators is divided by difference of denominators. 4 minus 1 by 12 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. 12 minus 3, 9. So 3 1s, 3 3s. So again we get 1 by 3. That means if two ratios are equal, then by writing difference of numerators by difference of denominators, then there is no change in the ratio. There is no change in the ratio. So that I want to write from this equation area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle OBD. Area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle OBD is divided by area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle ODC. Okay? See, if you observe here, in this triangle, area of triangle ABD, this is area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle OBD. Then what we get? Area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle OBD. Then what we get? Nothing but area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB. Similarly, area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle ODC. Area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle ODC. Then we get area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle AOC. And finally, we can write BD by DC is equal to area of triangle AOB by area of triangle AOC. Okay. So similarly, we can write. I got a BD by DC. Now I want CE by EA, AF by FB. So same in this process only we can get a CE by EA and AF by FB values also. So I want to write directly here CE by EA. CE by EA is equal to, see here, if you want BD by DC, how can we get BD by DC? BD by DC is nothing but, so you have to subtract area of triangle OBD from area of triangle ABD, then we get BD value, area of triangle AOB, like that DC also. Here CE by EA, CE, if you want CE means then we get, then we have area of triangle EBC, from area of triangle EBC you have to remove area of triangle EOC, then we get area of triangle OBC. CE is nothing but area of triangle BOC. Similarly, EA, remove this one, then we get this triangle. area of triangle AOB. This is fourth equation. Next, want AF by FB. AF by FB is equal to. So if we want AF by FB means remove this triangle from this total triangle ACF. Then we get what? Area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle AOC by. If you want FB, then how to remove this FOB from this total triangle? Then we get area of triangle BOC. So it is fifth equation. By multiplying these three equations, third equation, fourth equation, fifth equation, then we get from 3, 4 and 5. What we get? See. BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to, what is BD by DC? Area of triangle AOB by area of triangle AOC into area of triangle BOC by area of triangle AOB into this one, area of triangle AOC by area of triangle BOC. So area of triangle BOC, area of BOC get cancelled. AOC, AOC get cancelled. AOB, AOB get cancelled. Finally, we got what? 1. Therefore, BD by DC is equal into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to 1. This is our proof. See, again I am explaining this theorem from first to last. What is the statement of Sivas theorem? If the points D, E, F are taken on the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC respectively, such that the line segments AD, BE and CF are congruent at both, then BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to 1. That is. So here very important point is how can we find these ratios? That is very important. So if you want BD by DC, nothing but it is area of triangle ABD by area of triangle ADC, and also BD by DC is nothing but area of triangle OBD by area of triangle ODC. How we can write that is that triangles area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC are having same altitude, so that we can write base ratio, that means BD by DC is equal to area of triangle ABD by area of triangle ADC. Similarly, area of triangle BD by DC is equal to area of triangle OBD by area of triangle ODC. From these two equations we can write like this. So if two ratios are equal, then difference of numerators by difference of denominators also equal to this ratio. I have written like this. So area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle OBD is equal to area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle ODC is equal to area of triangle AOC. Similarly, CE by EA and AF by FB. Fine. From this triangle, then multiply third equation, fourth equation, fifth equation, we can get final answer. Okay, this is Sivas theorem. Thank you very much.